Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to share shrimp dumplings or shrimp Kozhakatta or shrimp unda. You can call different names. These savory shrimp rice dumplings are perfect tea time snacks. For this recipe, we need 1 pound of shrimp washed and deveined, and then you can just transfer to a food processor and pulse it few times and keep it aside. Add 1 onion to the food processor, green chili 6, ginger half inch, 2 sprig curry leaves, and you can give it a pulse and add it to the shrimp and mix it well. Heat a pan, add coconut oil, and you can transfer the shrimp mix and cook until shrimp is dry. Once all the water is dried, you can add the half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder and give it a mix. You can adjust the seasoning at this point and cook for like 2 more minutes, and then you can turn off the heat and set aside. For the dough, we need 2 cups of rice flour. Add salt 1 teaspoon. Give it a mix, and then you can add boiled water little at a time and give it a mix. I used almost 2 cups of boiled water for this recipe. You can add a little at a time and adjust. Mix it well until everything combined together, and then you can cover with a lid and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. Once it's cool enough to handle with your hand, then you can mix it well, make a smooth and soft dough. Then divide the dough into equal size lemon size balls. Press it with your hand and place 1 tablespoon of filling in the center, and you can pinch the edges together and close it. Similar way you can make the rest of the balls and keep it covered. Once you made all the balls ready, you can heat a steamer and place all the rice balls in it and steam it for like 12 to 15 minutes. Once it's done, you can turn off the heat and let it rest for a few minutes. And once it's cool enough, you can remove and serve immediately. Rice dumplings are ready to serve now. It's a very healthy tea time snack. You must try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you soon back with another video. Bye. Take care.